And this one is Goof Around Golf, another great alliterative name, and has a very cute little golf ball. I found really clever ways to keep the action alive by giving you different courses. And I was lucky enough to get this one with the instructions. And these original instructions have the rules to it, and they show you these diagrams to do 18 different holes out of just this simple little plastic device. And believe it or not, the different configurations have different pars. These things smell very old. This was made in Taiwan by the Japanese company Tomy, and it was produced in 1980. And we have our little Tomy golf ball. And so they just hook together and you can create different directions. This one can turn this way. You could do another hole this way. There's even a gap there, so your little guy shouldn't be able to go over, and you should insist that you and your opponents go around the long way. Put them like this. And then just place your little flag in. Let's give it a try with this guy. I think his name is Goof. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Oh. I don't know if you can see, there's a little bump here. You have a couple of hazards. You have the water hazard, this little sand trap. So we'll say this will be our second stroke. Let's see if we can get it in 2. Come on. Oh, look at that. Not bad. I think that was birdie.
Birdie!
We did pretty well there. Let's try a harder one. And the great thing about this one is you don't want to overwind it, because if you have your little golf ball fall off, you take a penalty point. So you don't want to do that. You want to give it just like a little setup. Hopefully it stops. So it stops there. Now we're on our second stroke. Let's go, buddy. Okay, well, we're lined up here. Let's see if we can get it. Uh-oh. Oh, penalty.
Chip in.
Hey, golf clap. I really like this one. I didn't know about it until just recently, and I'm really glad we got it. It's very fun. This was just one of 7 sets that Tomy made. Do you want to see them all? Check out this video for the complete 7 sets.